If your business is not online, you are invisible, period. But don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to share with you some tips that can help you get online if you are not, or improve your online presence, so that you get visible and you can start making more money online. So I am Dr. Vivian Atud, and if you are ready to move your business from local to global, this video is for you. So let me start by asking you the question. So are you selling online yet? Go to the comment, just type yes or no, and let's know who is selling online, who is here to start selling online. So let me give it to you straight. The internet is not just a marketplace. The internet is the marketplace. Let me pause and repeat that again. The internet is the marketplace. Your customers are shopping, they are scrolling, and they are searching every single day. The question is, are they finding you online? Um, the truth is, business isn't just about having the best product. It's not about that. It's about having the best visibility. In this digital age, you want attention, because attention is currency. If you don't show up, you don't get paid. You need to, number one, own your Google presence. Just pause and Google your business right now. I tell you, you can type in Google, just put in Dr. Vivian Atud and see what shows up. You need to be Googleable. Your business needs to be Googleable. Google yourself on what really shows up. Claim that business presence, claim your business profile, add photos, add reviews, add trading hours. This is what we call free marketing, because when people search you online and they don't find you, they can do business with you. So the next important thing you want to do is build an email list. That is your digital gold. Your email list is the only audience that you own. You can offer them freebies in exchange for their email addresses. You can give them some guidelines, something related to your product, your service, in exchange for their emails, and this will help you. So another important tip is use short form video. Everyone wants to see. People want to see. Do some reels, do some shorts, do some TikToks. People want to buy from people that they trust, and the more they see you regularly online, the more they begin to trust you. Post 2 or 3 times a week. Post behind the scene what you're doing. People should know that you're real and you're a person and you're dealing with this. Even sometimes your vulnerability, testimonies of people relating to you. All this help people to know you and to want to do business with you online. And once you've done all this organic lead generation kind of things, in other courses, you want to know more about selling online and all this, check the links, get in contact with me, and we could do some more detailed, or you could be part of some of our more detailed free courses and all that. So you want to run some paid ads. Guess what? Even the biggest companies in the world, they are running adverts online every day. If they are doing that, when people already know that, and I always ask the question, why should Coca-Cola advertise? Because sometimes they want to be in your face. They want attention. They want you to know that, yeah, we know everybody knows there is Coke, but we are still here. Would you still buy a Coke? And they keep advertising. If something, a brand like Coke, that we all know keeps advertising. What about you? So you want to start small. So you don't just want to be boosting your post. You want to create targeted ads. Who are my customers? What is their age? Where do they live? So you begin to use regional targeting, zip code targeting, age targeting, gender targeting, whatever variables are important to your business. And you do that, and you could start with a small budget, $5 a day, or anything that really works for you. And another important thing is wherever you are online, you want to optimize for mobile, because guess what, um 80% of people buying online these days use their cell phones, and your website and everything else that you use need to load fast. It needs to look great on a cell phone. It needs to be clean, and it needs to be easy for anyone to buy online from there. So this is very, very important. So think about it. God did not just give you that business idea for you to sit in a notebook or somewhere. You were created to solve problems. And I always go back to the good book. And the Bible says in Genesis that He created you, He blessed you, and He said, go and multiply, fill the earth, dominate, go and do that thing that you were created to do, solve that problem. And guess what? The digital marketplace is how you show up in the world of today with your solution, And the Bible says faith without works is dead.